Welcome to this explainer, guys. We are taking the Outlier Mastery, the Senior Data RLHF blueprint, and turning it into a real, over-the-shoulder masterclass today. If you're a freelance data worker, especially tuning in from Pakistan or India, and you really want to maximize your remote earnings in the AI space, well, you're in exactly the right place. Today, we're breaking down the precise strategy to transition from just a basic task worker into a true senior data professional. We're going to look at the exact methods, the necessary setups, and that crucial back-end logic that separates the people who get their accounts flagged from those who successfully scale their earnings.
Okay, so here's our roadmap for today. We'll cover the $50 an hour logic error, the professional setup, mastering data integrity, the AI business logic, a quick technical skills test, and finally, the authority closure. Let's dive right in. Section 1. The $50 an hour logic error and the senior strategy.
$50 an hour. Now, that's not just some random number we pulled out of thin air, right? That is a standard dashboard target for senior data professionals executing RLHF workflows. That's reinforcement learning from human feedback. But here is the really hard truth. Most people completely fail the specific task, and they fail because of one fundamental logic error that causes their account quality to just tank or fail entirely. It's really not about how fast you can type. It's all about how you approach the underlying logic of the platform itself.
To actually hit that earning target, we've got to stop using basic worker methods right now, literally immediately. Basic workers, they just click buttons and try to move as fast as humanly possible, right? But your entire account longevity depends on making a massive shift to senior data professional strategies. A senior pro uses highly specific, scalable workflows. They're often integrating SQL just to make absolutely sure the data is pristine. It's basically the difference between treating this like a simple data entry gig versus advanced AI model training. It's a totally different ballgame.
All right, moving on to Section 2, the professional setup and those critical over-the-shoulder steps.
I want you to mentally walk through these exact steps with me right now. If you want to stop making those basic errors, you have to configure your environment correctly from day one. Step 1, you open your dashboard settings immediately upon logging in. It's crazy, but most users just skip this and automatically fall into the wrong worker category. Step 2, and this is absolutely critical, you must select the professional data tier. Look, selecting the specific setting effectively doubles your success rate right out of the gate. It basically signals to the platform, hey, I'm ready for advanced RLHF workflows, and it sets the stage for everything else we're going to cover today.
That brings us to Section 3, mastering data integrity and structuring your prompt logic.
So, the really crucial point here is how you're structuring your prompt logic. Data integrity in this context is the practice of providing AI models with very specific instruction types and maintaining a super clear hierarchy in your prompt logic. AI models absolutely require this strict structure. If you just throw a wall of text at an RLHF model without a clear logical hierarchy, the system just gets confused. The data quality drops and boom, the platform flags your account. You have to maintain absolute, flawless data integrity at all times. To do that, you must ruthlessly eliminate conversational language from your prompts. Seriously, do not talk to the model like it's your buddy in a chat room. Instead, you need to use strict technical syntax. The model expects rigid rules. And observing this strict structure in every single query, that is the core foundational rule you've got to memorize to prevent the platform from flagging you. It's a real game changer once you get this down. Okay, Section 4. The AI business logic and why quality actually matters so much. We need to fully understand the stakes here, guys. AI companies pay millions for high-quality data. It is literally their entire business model. They simply cannot afford to ingest bad data. In fact, feeding an AI bad logic can cost them thousands of dollars in compute power just to make the model unlearn it. That's insane, right? And that's exactly why low quality leads directly to instant, permanent platform bans. No warnings, just a ban. Prioritizing data integrity is literally your only path to scaling your earnings up to that $50 an hour mark. I want you to make this your brand new professional mantra. We are not just clicking buttons. We are training advanced neural networks. Really think about that for a second. Read it again. When you sit down at your desk, whether you're in Pakistan, India, or anywhere else in the world, you are executing high-level tasks that are actively shaping the future of artificial intelligence. You are a senior data professional. Thinking like one changes absolutely everything about how you approach your daily workflow. Let's jump right into Section 5. Time to test your technical skills with some RLHF workflows. Okay, let's do a quick technical scenario. Imagine you're working in an RLHF workflow.
The model spits out two answers that look completely identical to you, literally word for word. But one of those answers has a 5% higher confidence score on the back end. So how do you maintain data integrity here? Do you just pick the faster one? Do you pick neither and reprompt the whole thing? Think about it for a second. What's the right move? Well, if you chose option B, you're right on the money. You always prioritize the high confidence response. Because even if the text looks totally identical to the human eye, the back-end AI logic heavily relies on those confidence scores to calibrate the neural network. Prioritizing the high confidence response is the exact strategy a senior data professional uses to maintain that precious data integrity. All right, let's try one more. Quiz 2. What is the primary cause of account quality drops on platforms like Outlier? Is it A, your work speed is just too slow? Is it B, logical contradictions in your reasoning? Or is it C, using a VPN? What is the main thing that triggers those brutal platform penalties? And the answer is B, logical contradictions in reasoning. Like we talked about earlier, it is definitely not about how fast you type. Conversational language and sloppy hierarchies just confuse the model. If your reasoning contains logical contradictions, you completely destroy the data integrity, and the system flags you immediately. Strict logic is absolutely vital, for sure, to your account's longevity.
Finally, we're at section 6, the authority closure and charting your professional growth. To really guarantee your continued success, you've got to follow this blueprint to the letter. First, strictly follow the technical rules for account longevity, or you're going to lose access. It's that simple. There's no middle ground there. Second, treat this as a real career and build a flawless reputation on the platform. Trust me, the financial rewards are more than worth the effort. Third, you must continue to master advanced workflows, specifically SQL integration and RLHF methods. Your profile might be ready right now, but your technical toolkit needs constant upgrading. And finally, to keep upgrading that technical toolkit, make sure you subscribe to Online Income Hub. Before we wrap up, I'm going to leave you with one final technical scenario straight from the Senior Data Blueprint. If your SQL query returns null values, do you fix the source data or do you apply a filter? Think about data integrity. Think about the neural network itself. What is the true senior data method here? That's something for you to chew on until next time. Keep building those skills.